What's the meaning of bulletin board? Bulletin board. Bulletin board.
Bulletin board. Bulletin board. A bulletin board is a display board used for posting notices, announcements, or messages. The board can be made of cork, fabric, felt, or other materials. Bulletin boards are commonly found in schools, offices, community centers, and other public places where information needs to be shared with a large group of people. They can be used to promote events, share news, or provide important updates. Bulletin boards can be physical or digital in nature, and may be updated manually or electronically. Overall, bulletin boards serve as a simple and effective way to disseminate information to a large audience.